Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we are replacing the impeller belt on a Flymo UltraGlide lawnmower. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure it is first disconnected from the mains. If the impeller on your lawnmower has stopped rotating, then it is likely the blade belt is broken and will need to be replaced. Take out the grass box and put it to one side. Use a 13mm socket to remove the nut. Turn it anti-clockwise and take it completely out and lift the impeller off. When removing the blade on the other side, put on some safety gloves to hold the blade safely, but use a towel if you haven't got any gloves. Take the nut out and lift the blade off. Lift the lawnmower back up and remove the screws holding the rear section of the lawnmower. Once out, lift the handle to one side. There are two screws that were hidden by the rear section. Take out the screws and turn the lawnmower onto its side. Remove the wheels on the front with a flat blade screwdriver. Lift them both out to reveal a clip from the front cover. Use a flat blade to slot into the gap between the casing and the cover clip and move it gently to release it. This may be a little bit fiddly as you have to pull the cover from the other side. The cover can be lifted off, making sure you lift it around the height adjuster on the side. There are two torx screws holding the height adjuster to the casing. Take them out and make sure you don't lose the spring that's inside. Turn the lawnmower back onto its side and there are two more torx screws here. Take them out and lift the motor out. And the belt fits here. Fit the new impeller belt and remember they are very tight to fit, so take your time. Refit the motor back into position . Refit the torx screws back into the height adjuster. Make sure the spring goes back into the correct position or it won't work. Turn the lawnmower onto its side and refit the two torx screws into the base. Refit the front cover by clipping in the front and put the screws back into the cover. We can now refit the rear section back into place and put the screws back in. Refit the wheels and turn it back onto its side. Place the blade back on, making sure you can see the grass side on the blade. Refit the nut with a socket set and make sure it's tight so it won't come loose. Place the impeller onto the shaft and put the nut back in and use the socket set to tighten it, making sure it's tight so it won't come off. Refit the grass box. And there we have it, one impeller belt replaced on a Flymo UltraGlide lawnmower. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.